What's happening, YouTube? Pickford's RS3 here. I got a seized door thing here. Look at that. Took it all apart because I can't even get my key in there. Check out the corrosion. The corrosion. So I'm gonna go blast it with some brake clean and yeah, there is no content on how to take this apart, so I'll show you how I took it apart. Focus. Focus. And yeah, so I'm gonna work on the first two keys. They are right there. And let's go from there. Holy shit, boys. I didn't even know there was a clip in there. I'm still working on it, but yeah, there's actually there's a little tumbler in there. And I think there's another one underneath this piece. And yeah, so I'm just trying to free that up because holy shit. Alright, we're making some progress. Look at the shit in there. Hopefully it doesn't fall out.
Yeah, so we had to press all those little tabbies down to pull it.
Yeah, we compressed all the little things and this is what we got. So see you on the other side. Alright, we're getting somewhere. It fell apart on me, so I gotta puzzle it back together. But look at all the cocaine, look at all the salt in there. No wonder why my key ain't fucking going in there or turning this. Stay tuned, great stuff. Alright, so I got this actually working. But if you're having the same problems I have where none of these products work, this is how you take it apart. So you have to kind of hammer the aluminum away from these two clips on both sides. I already did that, so I'll show you how to actually take it apart now. So this piece is just held on there by like a little plastic clip. It just kind of hugs the cylinder in the middle. I'll show you once I get it apart. So I'll pop that off. And then I think you... So it's just a little piece of plastic in there. Where's the fucking... There it is. A little piece of plastic. It just sits on this little lip. And then just kind of keep it in order as you take it apart. I had this upside down when I first reinstalled this because I thought the holes went with this, but it's actually the bottom side kind of slides around this piece that's held in there by this little spring. Then this just pops out. And then this is where I started to kind of just push and pick and a little bit of hammer away at the little tabs. I'm gonna have to adjust this. Little tabs right here and two on this side. I don't know if I should maybe put a little bit of JB Weld or just a pinch. Kind of hammer it back on there when I reinstall it. So that's one side there. And then there is a L, so I usually keep whatever side has the L, like this side. I just kept that side on the left. I don't know if they're actually different or not, but like that. And that's all that was holding that in there. And now you can kind of push from the front. And the whole cylinder is going to pop out the back here. And this is where I had fun actually lockpicking it from the outside. So on my case, these 3 pins right here were actually seized downwards, so it made it easier to lockpick. There's like 2 there and another 3 on this side. Having your key actually go into it makes it easier for it to come apart. See, my key didn't actually go in there, so I had to lockpick it, or my girlfriend did. And be very careful, because I did break this spring when it came out. It stretched and now it doesn't actually click properly. To install it is just reverse of what we did. So I'm just gonna take my key out, slide this bitch back in there, and then there's just a little like dowel or whatever you can. It matches with the barrel matches with the cylinder right here. There's a little tab. That's where this piece goes in there. And yeah, it's just reverse from there, and then I'll maybe just install it. All right, so I'm gonna put this bitch back together, and I'll meet you guys in the garage. That's all she wrote. Okay, we're back at the car. It's an RS3. Yeah. Fuck, I keep saying Let's just slap this bitch back in there. I think that's in there, right? I think it should just slide in there the way it looks like it works. And to get this out, I had to screw this all the way out, and this wouldn't come out. I had to actually push this in for it to pop out. So I'm not sure what I have to do now. Maybe we'll put this one in. See if it. Should probably have a light. I can't see shit, bud. Oh, does this bitch have a light? Boom. I'm thinking maybe this one pushes on it and then I can do something. Oh. Oh yeah, see this when I'm screwing this one in, and the other one, the bright one there, silver one, is coming out. Interesting. All right, so I tighten that one up, and then can I tighten this one up now? Oh, yep. What a weird setup. Well, hopefully you guys seen that, but I had to put this one in first, and then this one popped out or slowly came out, and then tighten this one. Crazy. Let's see if we can get. Oh wow, there's a lot of shit in there. Where's me rag? Boom. Back together. Oh god. No, I'm just kidding. It works. Shit. Wow. Fuck, that bugged me. Alright. So, that's how you do a lock. Take it apart, put it back together, get all the salt out of it. It will work on S5s. RS3s, probably Golf Rs, GTIs, anything that has the handle kind of like this and the key locks like that, it should work for you. I'm posting this because I couldn't find anything online on how to take that apart, and so like I think it's like 2012 and up or something like that. So hopefully it helps you guys if your walk is all fucked up and seized. Anyways, peace out.